Hello. Today we will be discussing about another starter of three-phase induction machine, that is star delta starter. With the name you can simply say this star means it is used for starting purpose, and this is operating purpose. So this starter is used for squirrel case three-phase induction motor. Okay, as we know that stator winding are the open winding. Okay, open winding for three-phase machine. Actually, three-phase machine stator winding basically are open winding. Okay, open winding means this one coil presenting, this is another coil presenting, this is another coil. Okay, U1, U2, W1, W2, V1, V2. Here you can put R1, R2 because here we will be discussing in virtual lab. So they have taken this notation V1, V2, W1, W2. Okay, W1, W2, U1, U2, W1, W2, V1, V2. Okay, so that's why I am taking this convention. Okay, so this convention means in the stator the winding are placed in the slots. Okay, in such way, but winding will be open, two terminals will be open. Okay, the two terminals will be open, here one winding and another winding, means for one phase, second R phase, B phase and Y phase, suppose R, Y, B, whatever. Okay, so now the fashion will be the operating, when it will operate at the rated condition, it will operate as a delta connected winding, and in the starting, when it will start, we know that in the starting there will be a high starting current. Okay, so to reduce this starting current, we simply use the star connection. तो that means देखो यहाँ पे सेम कॉइल है, ठीक है। अगर मेरे पास 155 वोल्ट अगर सप्लाई है, 115 वोल्ट अगर सप्लाई है, तो इसका मीनिंग क्या है? ये एक लाइन टू लाइन वोल्टेज है जो मेंशन रहता है हमेशा थ्री फेज में, वो लाइन टू लाइन आरएमएस वोल्टेज मेंशन रहता है, ठीक है। तो अगर ये वाला वोल्टेज जो अप्लाई होगा, ये अगर स्टार कनेक्शन होगा, तो एक एक फेज में, एक एक पार्टिकुलर फेज में कितना वोल्टेज आएगा? ये 415 डिवाइडेड बाय √3 फॉर दैट इंस्टेंट पर्टिकुलर एट स्टार्टिंग इंस्टेंट, यहाँ पे 415 बाय √3 होगा। In the same for each phase there will be, so according to this voltage, so current will reduce. So voltage कम हुआ यानी कि करंट कम होगा, ठीक है। बट इन द जब इन केस ऑफ डेल्टा में क्या होगा? इन केस ऑफ डेल्टा यहाँ पे क्या स्टार्टिंग पे ही क्या हुआ आपका, एक एक फेज में कितना वोल्टेज आएगा? एक एक फेज में कितना वोल्टेज आएगा? 415। सो 415 के लिए यहाँ पे इनवर्स करंट जो होगा ये बढ़ेगा, ठीक है। तो यानी कि सिंपली 1-3 टाइम्स जो है करंट वो सिंपली कम हो जाता है, ठीक है। एक स्टार्टिंग है स्टार एंड डेल्टा में, ठीक है। और एक बात है कि यहाँ पे अगर स्टार कनेक्शन यूज करेंगे तो करंट तो ठीक है कम हो रहा है, ठीक है, पर यहाँ पे टॉर्क भी कम हो जाता है, क्योंकि टॉर्क जो क्या होता है प्रोपोर्शनल टू स्क्वायर, प्रोपोर्शनल टू वोल्टेज स्क्वायर। तो अभी अगर देखिए वोल्टेज कम हो गया ना √3 टाइम्स, तो क्या होगा टॉर्क जो होगा, टॉर्क क्या होगा v√3 स्क्वायर, मतलब स्टार्टिंग टॉर्क को होगा 1/3 टाइम्स कम हो गया है ना, 1/3 टाइम्स कम हो गया। करंट हुआ 1/√3 टाइम्स, बट टॉर्क होगा 1/3 टाइम्स। मतलब इसको अगर सिंपली अगर बोला जाए तो ये वाला एक्सप्रेशन से हम लोग प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। हाउ? दिस इज द एक्सप्रेशन, दिस इज स्टार्टिंग टॉर्क फॉर स्टार, स्टार्टिंग टॉर्क फॉर डेल्टा। तो इसमें कितना टाइम्स कम होगा दिस, एक इक्वेशन। रिमेंबर दिस, हाउ इट कम्स, टॉर्क प्रोपोर्शनल टू पोटेंशियल स्क्वायर, ठीक है। तो अभी यहाँ पे जो टॉर्क होगा मतलब करंट का कितना है, सॉरी स्टार्टिंग करंट स्टार, स्टार्टिंग करंट डेल्टा 1/√3 टाइम्स, 1/√3। क्लियर? तो अभी इसको मतलब हाउ दिस वाइंडिंग दिस ऑपरेशन विल ऑपरेट, ओके। सी, firstly we will be discussing some details of the theory part, we will know, then we will go for the practical how it's operating, okay. So now see here, suppose this is at the mains, this is at the mains, okay. Here we are connecting one conductor, main conductor, okay. Means here the like conductor, okay. So here just we are replacing the coils presenting, okay. U1, U2, V1, V2, W1, W. Now there will be two conductor, one will be the delta conductor, one here, one neutral point, okay, and suppose मैंने यहाँ पे V2 रख दिया, सॉरी U2, V2 and W2, सेम यहाँ पे मैं रख देता हूँ W2, U2, 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 V2, okay. यहाँ पे आपका कंडक्टर रहेगा ए स्टार कंडक्टर, Okay. In the lab, actually practical lab here, if there is an opportunity, then you will see that here is a starter we are using in the lab. There is a combination of a relay, thermal relay and main conductor, a delta conductor, and here star conductor. How it will be working? Okay, this is U2, V2 and W2. Okay, now the star combination, what will be the, this is simply you can connect with this we can simply directly connect with this, and this simply we can connect this U1 V1 W. Okay, line L1 L2 L3. Okay, now for the delta connection, maybe U1 V2, maybe U1 V2 means this part where it will be connected, this part is A2, here this way it could be, this way it could be, and this way it could be connected. Okay, so now W2 W1 is shorted with V2. Okay, W1, this one is W1, this one is W1 is connected with V2. Okay, and remaining one will be connected with this. Yes. Clear? Okay, now see, whenever we just starting the machine, okay, what will happen? This line is simply connected, but this delta conductor is there, there will be no contact between this and this point and this point. Okay, means simply here conductor will be there direct, this point and this point will short, this point and this point will short. So this will not happen at that starting point. Okay, means just I am deriving explaining whatever in the lab available, okay, in your machine lab, electrical machine lab. Now in starting case, what will happen, that this main will directly contact and there will be some star connection. This star conductor will short this point, means it will move this way. Conductor means this will contact with this point and it will short means there will be a short point, means this is the neutral point, this point this coil will short. When this coil are open, now it's shorted, so here the supply will come in this way. So what, these three phase are 120-degree phase apart, so there will be rotating magnetic flux, so the machine will operate, but it will operate as star connection. But while this machine gets started, means in the normal condition, it's within 1 minute, 1/2 minute, it will settle at normal position. Then what, simply you have one normal thermal relay will be there, So it will automatically settle the condition and it will sense the condition, and this contactor will open, this contactor will close, and this contactor will open first and then it will close. Star contactor will open first open, and that after that instant this contactor will close. If this contactor is closed, then now it will behave as a delta connected configuration. No problem. This is main contactor. This is delta contactor. This is star contactor. Okay. So what we can see? We can observe this, the potential across this coil. Potential across this coil and the current through this coil we can observe. Okay, so now we will be probably this concept is clear for you. Okay, there will be a thermal relay. Due to this relay the conversion is possible, otherwise there will be no conversion. Okay, if this relay gets sensed that the machine is at normal condition, and automatically this relay will operate. Trip means this will operate at delta contactor. Delta contactor will sense. Then delta conductor is shorted. If it is shorted, then what? Now it is operating as a delta connected winding. Now there will be some question. There may some question. Why delta connection is there? Because see, delta connected winding. Yes, delta connected winding. Suppose we have a machine 5 HP machine. Okay. Now the 5 HP 415 volt. Okay. So current may be what? The rated current may be approximately 7 point something. This current is nothing but line current. Yeah, line current 7.5. Yeah. Suppose we are considering. But in case of delta connection, what will be the current? Here 1.5 √3 times. Okay, this current will be, this much current will be. Now the copper loss for this delta connection, per phase resistance is R, per phase resistance is R, per phase resistance is R. So current will be 4.5 √3 times R square into R. Okay, this much loss for 3 phase, this much loss will be there. Okay, but in case of delta connection, in case of star connection, in case of delta connection, this much loss, copper loss. Okay, if in case of delta connection is there, then what? How much loss will be there? Their loss will be, how much loss will be there? So current, how much current? 5.4, 5.4, 5.4. Resistance is same, winding is same, resistance is same. So current is R into 3. So how many times? See, for delta connection, how many times? 3 into 7.5 √3. And for star, how many times? 4.3, almost 3 times. Almost 3 times loss is more in case of star connection. That's why we prefer the star connected winding for the operation, running operation. Okay. But There is a disadvantage, as earlier said, that there is a torque issue is obviously there in case of star connection. Okay, but we can initially, if we star connected machine, if we are operating in industry, okay, so some load in the starting you have to cut. Okay, so now here we will be going for the experiment. Okay, as it is previously you have done the stator resistance starter. Now here it is same, in the same way we will see that star delta starting procedure, whatever it is, no problem procedure. Now it is the experiment will be go for directly. So here is the table. So what you have to do, here is given mains, okay, and here is ammeter and ammeter. This is the star delta starter. But what I have discussed, that is relay, but here you have to manually you have to switch star delta. You have to manually switch these things. Okay, and here we can observe the voltage potential across the phase, and this meter what will give, the current profile. Okay, this is the clamp meter. Clamp meter is nothing but a current transformer. Okay, current transformer, 1:1 current transformer. Here is the tachometer. Tachometer, what we will be getting? Channel 1, channel 2, channel 4. Channel 2 giving speed of the machine, and channel 3 is giving the torque of the machine. Clear? Torque of the machine. Okay, now see what. Let connect these things, as this is the U1, this is V1, this is W1, okay, and this is U2, this is V2, this is W2. Clear? Now these things we can just put here, coupling the tachometer. Okay, torque meter and tachometer. Speed, this is for speed and this is for torque. Okay, torque meter and tachometer. And these things we can simply see the current. Okay, here current we are seeing, we'll observe current. Okay, now the voltage. These things you can simply connect these things. Okay, now there is an error for this operating system. Okay, here connection is, everything is fine, so everything is okay, but there still some connection error, wrong voltmeter connection. Don't worry, result will come. Okay, right result will come. Okay, don't worry for that alert. Okay, simply you go for on. What happened? This should not have this. Let's do some. this should not be like this. There. Now check the connection, right connection, but it is actually wrong connection. Okay. Now we'll see how to recheck the connection. Okay. See, just we are turning on. Clear. Now here turn off. Okay. Now again I'm changing this. Now we can simply connect this. Clear. Now here we'll go for main switch. Okay, and this is another one switch. Now we'll be starting here. Start. Clear. Here start. Red indication. Off. Start. Off. If you press the push button, start. This is off. Okay, now start. Okay, clear. Now here we'll go for the reading. Okay, first see the star connection. Star. What is the current? Starting current 8 point something. Okay, and voltage 120. Now it is coming down to 2.6. Coming down to 2.6, but voltage still it is same 127 or something. Okay, now the current, see the starting current profile. Now firstly we can see the starting current profile. Okay, again we are going for delta. If you go for delta, that's what you can see. Delta. These things happening. Now at what time it will get settled? Okay, just play it. Clear. Now see for star connect 0. Now it is stop. No response will come in. Okay, 0. Okay, now go for star first. Here stop. Okay, now suppose it is one part division. Suppose scaling, whatever the scaling is there, suppose you are taking as a part division 2 ampere. Clear. Here what you are getting 6 point something, 6 point something, 6.36 current you are getting. Okay, now after some time what will be saying is slowing down like this. Here it is settled down. Okay, now the current is 2.6 something. Here 2.6 means per division 2.6 ampere you can count as. Okay, under no load condition. Clear. Now you will switching to delta. What? Delta condition. What should be in case of starting case? What should be the current? This is the running condition. Okay, this is the running condition. But delta star connection, it is setting to delta. There is a spike. There is a spike. What? 1 division, 2 division, 3, 4, 5. 5 division. Okay. There is a 5 division of spike. Okay. This is for observation. What should be the delta? If we use the delta connection, okay, delta starter, then what current will be seeing? Okay. This is the observation. Okay. Now you can see that this plot also speed. You can see the speed. And also okay, now see, we go for 0. Okay, now it is off. Clear? Now it is doing 1. Okay, now see, we are going for starter. Start. What is the situation now? Start. 1, 2. Something. Voltage is how much? Voltage is how much? Voltage 120 something. Okay. Clear? Where it will be at? It is just we are playing. Okay. Now it is coming down to here. Here it is stop. Here it is settled down. Okay. Now here the speed also somewhere it is settled. Okay. Means some at no load speed it will be settled. Okay. Near to the some. If it is 1500 something synchronous speed, then the no load speed how much will be 1480 something. Clear? Now we'll be switching to delta. What kind of scenario is there is a no boost of speed? Okay, you can play it. Let's see. There is a spike. If we consider these things, means what we can see. The running condition, the current is not here. This ammeter is not showing the current. But for the simulation, you just here the facility is given that whatever the delta condition, suppose this much, if we consider analysis, here the condition is given that if we just skip this portion, okay, then you will see the, if we start with the delta connection, only delta, not star and delta. Okay, but if we start with star, already start, then you can easily convert into delta. There will be no changes in current. Okay, so here no changes in current. Okay, but there is a change, big change in the potential voltage. So here how much voltage is there? There was 120 something, but here 180 above. How much potential? Those 220. 220 means how much? 220 means how much? 127 into root 3 times. How much? 127 into root 3 times. How much? 220. it's near to 220 volt. Okay, these things is happening. Okay, so these things, with this you can also observe this, and there is a no change of speed also. Okay, just playing. After some time it's settling down. Okay, at the same 1.65 current. But just remember, here the configuration is given when you are switching 0 to delta, means here you will be showing the starting with star. But when you are converting star to delta, means there is provision that is given with the programming with this, that we are starting with delta. Okay, just clearance for this. Okay, suppose you have start with this starter, and then here it is settled down. Okay, starting, and here it is settled down. Okay, now we will be switching with star to delta, means if it is thermal relay is there, then relay automatically will operate to delta. But in running condition, it is running already na, with star connection, but there will be no change of current. But here we are showing, just seeing that what the current is showing, the spike is showing more than this, means that is spike for star connection, means you have to skip these things. Okay, but actually star to delta conversion, there will be no spike in current. Okay, but he is simply saying that the line current is not changing. Okay, line current is not changing, RMS value is not changing. Clear? Yet it's just your visualization purpose. If we start with, means you are supposed to be considered as you are starting with delta. Okay, you are starting with delta. This you are starting with delta. Okay, you are starting with delta, and this is the torque characteristics. Now clearly we can see the starting torque characteristics. Okay, see what, just we have to off first this one. Forget about the voltmeter. Now we can focus on ammeter and this visually. Okay, clear? Now it will be coming down to 0. Okay, it is at 0 position. Now we are switching to star. What is the torque? This is the torque characteristics. Torque, pulsating torque, and this simply speed is rising. Okay, there is a no load. Okay, so torque will not there that much. Okay, torque will not that much, but if his load is connected, then obviously torque will be there. Okay, but here we are considering that here no load operation is going on. Okay, now if it is running somewhere, okay, and here it is fixed somewhere, speed is constant, everything is constant. But now we're switching to delta. What is delta? Speed is not changing and current also not, line current also not changing that much. Okay, but here you are seeing the current profile is the, it is the changing profile for the current change. But after that, whatever this, if you neglect this thing change, then you will see whatever in the star connection at normal condition, and now it is also same condition. Okay, but actually you will no see this type of spike. For the visualization, for the study of starter, they have set some program with we switch to delta, then you can see the visualize, then only you can difference between star and delta starter. Okay, otherwise what is the mean of this? If we don't know when, why the star connection what will happen and delta connection what will happen. Okay, these things clear. I think uh, it is too much simple to study the starter, star delta starter with this concept and whatever the previous study we have we discussed today. Clear. Okay, I am expecting to you more better to analyze these things. Okay, starter, starting current, and what is the delta condition starter. If we start with delta connection, what will be the spike and what will be the maximum current. Okay, and it will be far better, means 2-3 times more than star connection. Clearly, na? Okay, we'll discuss later with a new topic, a new experiment. Clear? Okay, bye.